All right, so in this video, we're going to be looking at how to handle binomials. All right, what you have to do to binomials first is pretty simple, and then you can play the same game as before. Let's see, we'll have a division, so we have the same change flip first. So 2x over 7, and then we'll change that to a multiplication, and then flip our second fraction, 2x plus 10. Okay, so now you might be tempted to cancel a 2x with a 2x, but you cannot do that. The only way that you're able to cancel stuff in fractions is if they are factors. So if there was another 2x plus 10 up here, you could cancel that whole 2x plus 10 with this whole 2x plus 10. But everything has to kind of spell out multiplication. And right now, this is addition, all addition. So what we're going to do is we're going to factor this just using the greatest common factor. So let's see here, 2x over 7, 3. What is common to both terms here? There's a 2x and a 10. There's a number that'll go into both of those. It is 2. So we're going to pull a 2 out so that there's multiplication here. 2 times what will give you 2x? That is x. 2 times what will give you 10? That is a 5. All right. And now is the only time that you would be able to simplify or cancel anything. All right. This 2 can cancel with that 2 because this is multiplication as well. It's like 2 times x. So that 2 cancels with that 2. And nothing else will cross cancel with each other. You don't have an x plus 5 to cancel with that. The 3 and the 7 won't simplify at all. So just multiply straight across and you're done. All right. So we've got 3x. And then on the bottom, we've got 7 parentheses x plus 5. Now what you can do with this, I'll go ahead and do it, is 3x over, we'll go ahead and use the distributive property here. So 7x plus 35. All right. And again, the x's will not cancel because in this set, there's no multiplication going on. You don't have an x times anything that will cancel. All right, next example. All right, so in this example, we have 3 binomials. And what I'm going to do while I'm same changing and flipping, we'll go ahead and factor everything. So what is common to both terms here? They both have an x, but there's also a number that'll go into them, and that is 3. So we'll be able to factor out a 3 and an x. 3x times x will give us 3x squared, and 3x times 2 will give us 6x. Okay? So you have to factor everything first if you're given binomials or trinomials. All right, we'll change this to multiplication, and then we're going to flip our second fraction. So when we flip it, we're going to have the 2x minus 4 up here. Now, a 2 is what's common to both of those terms. So we'll have a 2 on the outside, and this will be a 1x on the inside, because 2 times x gives you 2x, and then a minus 2. Okay? Now on the bottom, what's common to these terms? 2 is, but the greatest common factor is a 4. So we're going to be pulling a 4 out of those. This will be an x, and this will be a 2. All right. Now that everything has been factored, now you can cancel some stuff. All right, this x cancels with that x. Actually, I'm going to save this. I'm going to do our little, using the calculator trick on those. X plus 2. We'll cancel with that x plus 2. And let's just multiply straight across here. Okay, we're going to have on the 1, we're going to have a 6, 3 times 2. And then parentheses x minus 2. And then on the bottom, we just have a 6 and a 4 here. So that's going to be 24. I guess we don't have to use a calculator on this. 6 and 24, both of those can divide by 6. So that's going to leave you a 1, or just an x minus 2. a 1 times x minus 2 on top, because whenever you divide that by 6, you'll get 1. And on the bottom, you'll divide 24 by 6, which gives you 4. And that's all you can do with that one. All right, so we started by factoring everything, factoring the greatest common factor. And then you were able to cancel this x plus 2 with that x plus 2, because you cross-canceled, and then that x with that x. All right, we could have gone ahead and canceled 3 and 6 and 2 and 4. We could have done that, but we just multiplied it straight across and then did our canceling.